Now you will do assignment 1.4 from the first chapter. The page number of your book is 18. First question is multiple choice question. In this question some options are given. You have to choose the correct option. Which of the following is not correct? In this question you need to tick the option that is not correct. First option is 10 not equal to VV. You have learned in your previous class about the Roman numerals and you have also learned that the Roman numeral of 10 is x. But here it is written that 10 not equal to VV. 10 equal to x. So this is correct because it is written here 10 not equal to VV. So 10 not equal to VV because 10 equal to x. Next option 51 equal to IL. What will be the Roman numeral of 51? 51 will be written as 50 plus 1. So when we will add for converting any number into Roman numerals, আমরা Roman numerals এ কোনো নাম্বার নিয়ে যেতে গেলে কখন আমরা অ্যাড করি? So when the smaller value is written to the right side, then we need to add. আমাদের যখন যে রোমান নিউমারালসের স্মলার ভ্যালুটা যখন রাইট সাইডে থাকে গ্রেটার ভ্যালুর তখন আমরা অ্যাড করি, বাট হিয়ার I is for 1, L is for 50. So the smaller value is I, but I is written here at the left side. So here 50 minus 1, 49. So this is not correct. So we need to tick this option. Next one, 5 not equal to Vx. 5, what is the Roman numeral of 5? The V is the Roman numeral of 5. So this is correct because 5 equal to V. But here it is written that 5 not equal to Vx. So this is correct. So B will be the correct option because this is not correct. Next, XLVII stands for which number? You need to convert these Roman numerals into Indian system. XL, that means X is for 10, L is for 50. But here L is written at the right side and X is written at the left of L. Here X is smaller, তাহলে smaller ভ্যালুটা আমার left side আছে, so we need to subtract. 50 minus 10 is 40. Then VII. So VII means 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So 40 and 7. তাহলে এখানে 7, it is the value of this Roman numeral is 7. The value of this Roman numeral is 40. So 7 is written at the right of 40. So we need to add these two values. 40 plus 7 is 47. So this will be the correct option. Next, question number 2. Fill in the boxes with greater than, less than or equal to. So you need to compare these Roman numerals. So in this question I will do some question, I will help you for doing some question, but I have skipped some question. You will do those questions by yourself. Question number 2. X, Ix and XXXI. You have to compare these two Roman numerals. So what will be the value of this Roman numeral? XXIX. So XX, that means 20. 10 plus 10, 20, and IX means 9. তাহলে 20 plus 9. The value of this Roman numeral will be 29. Next, XXX. That means so when any Roman numeral will be repeated at most 3 times, then we need to add the value. How many times it will be repeated? We will add the value that times. তাহলে কোনো একটা রোমান নিউমেরাল যখন সব থেকে বেশি 3 বার রিপিট করা থাকবে বা তার থেকে কমও রিপিট হতে পারে, বাট at most 3 times রিপিট থাকবে, then we will add the value. How many times it will be repeated? We will add that value that times. যে ওই ভ্যালুটা যত টাইমস রিপিট করা থাকবে আমরা তত টাইমস এটা অ্যাড করব। সো এক্স এক্স এক্স, দ্যাট মিনস উই নিড টু অ্যাড x 3 times, that means we need to add 10 3 times, then I. So I is written here at the right side. তাহলে smaller value টা right side আছে, so we need to add this one with this value. So this value will be 31. So what will be the greater than between these two number 29 and 31? What is greater? 31 is greater than 29. So you need to fill this blank with this sign, less than sign. Next one. Next I will do question number 2 3. X I x x x I x I x. So what will be the value of this Roman numeral? So for comparing two Roman numerals, at first you need to find out the value. প্রথম এই রোমান নিউমেরালকে কম্পেয়ার করতে গেলে আমাদের ভ্যালুটা আগে লিখে নিতে হবে। ভ্যালু না লিখলে how can I find that which one is greater or which one is smaller? So for comparing the Roman numerals, at first you need to write the value x I x. X is for 10. I x. So what will be the value of this Roman numeral? I x. তাহলে I কোথায় আছে? x এর লেফটে আছে। তাহলে যখন স্মলার ভ্যালু আমাদের লেফটে থাকে আমাদের মাইনাস করতে হয়। সো I x means 10 minus 1, that is 9. So this is 10, this is 9. এখানেও কি আছে? 9. তাহলে স্মলার ভ্যালুটা রাইটে আছে, so we need to add 10 plus 9, that is 19. Next x x I, this is 21. So which one is greater? This one is greater, so we need to put this sign, less than sign. Next one xv, this is for xv, x is for 10, v is for 5. So smaller value is written to the right side of greater value. Smaller value ta ki greater value right side ache. So when the smaller value is at the right side, then we need to add the value. So 10 plus 5, that is 15, and this is also 15. So we need to put here equal to sign because these two values are same. Next one, triple x I, and then in that side 29. So the value of this number is 31 and the value of this is 29. So 31 is greater than 29, so we need to put here the greater than sign. Next one x x v, and this is x I x. X x v, that means the number will be x x, this is 20, v is for 5, so the value will be 25. The value of this Roman numeral will be x is for 10, I x is for 9, so this value will be 19. So you need to put here also greater than sign. Next one xv, the value of this Roman numeral will be, what will be the value of this Roman numeral? Here v is written at the left of x. As you know that v represents 5, x represents 10, so v is less than x. So the smaller value is written here at the right side. So we need to add the value of this Roman numeral. So 10 plus 5 is 15. This is 20. So what will be greater? This will be greater obviously. So we need to put here less than sign. Okay. So in question 2, I have done some question, but I have left some question for you. So you will do those questions by yourself, and you will do these questions also by yourself. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Write the following in Roman numerals. In this question, some numbers in Indian Hindu-Arabic system or Indian system. So you have to convert this number into Roman numerals. You have to convert this number into Roman numerals. So how can you convert this? You have learnt in your previous class, but I will just help you some for doing some maths, but you will do the other maths by yourself. So first question is 3187. So how can I write this number? 87. So first we will do Question number 3, 1, 87. So what will be the Roman numerals of this number 87? You don't know any basic Roman numerals of 87, so we need to express this number. 80 plus 7. So 80, 50 plus 30 plus 7. So what will be the Roman numeral of 50? সো এখানে আমাদের প্লাস করে করে পাচ্ছি, তাহলে আমাদের নিশ্চয়ই স্মলার ভ্যালুগুলোকে আমাদেরকে রাইট সাইডে লিখতে হবে, বিকজ আমরা জানি যে রোমান নিউমারালে যখন অ্যাড করি আমরা, তখন যখন কোনো যে স্মলার ভ্যালুটা রোমান নিউমারালের গ্রেটার ভ্যালুর থেকে আমরা রাইট সাইডে বসাই। সো এখানে কি করছি, আমরা অ্যাড করে পাচ্ছি 87, তাহলে আমাদের স্মলার ভ্যালুগুলো রাইট সাইডে লিখতে হবে। সো হুইচ রিপ্রেজেন্ট 50? এল রিপ্রেজেন্ট 50. হুইচ রিপ্রেজেন্ট 30? x, x, x. If we write x 3 times, that value will be 30. 7. How can I write 7? V, I. V is for 5, I 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So this will be the Roman numerals of 87. Next one, 38. So what will be the Roman numerals of 38? 30 plus 8. So 30 means x, 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 8. V, I. So 5 plus 3. So if I write I 3 times, then we will get 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this will be the Roman numerals of 38. Next, 90. So how can I write 90? Question number 3, 8, 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. So when we will subtract in Roman numerals, আমরা কখন subtract করি Roman numerals এ? When the smaller value is written at the left side of the greater value. যখন smaller valueটা greater value left side এ থাকে, তখন আমরা subtract করি। তো এখানে 90, I have gotten 90 by subtracting 10 from 100. So we need to write the Roman numeral of 10 at the left side, because 10 is smaller than 100. আবার subtract করা আছে, তাহলে আমরা smaller valueটা left side এ লিখব। So x, c. This represents 90. Next, 56. That is 50 plus 6. So which represent 50? Here we will get 56 by adding 50 and 6. So in this case we will write the smaller value at the right side. এই কেসটায় আমরা কি করব, smaller valueটাকে আমরা right side এ লিখব, because we know that for when we will add, when the smaller value is written at the right side. So L6. Okay, so this represents 56. So in question 3, I have also done some question, but I have given you some task for doing you by yourself. So you will do those maths. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. This is just opposite as 3. So you need to convert these Roman numerals into Indian system, Indian numerals. So question number 4, 3. X, V, I. So here you can see that the smaller value is written at the left side, is written at the right side. So we need to add the value of Roman numerals. X is for 10, V is for 5, I. Here I is repeated 3 times. So the value will be 3. So 10 plus 5 plus 3. So the value will be 18. So these Roman numerals represent 18. Okay. Next, x, ix. So here we can see triple x means 30 and ix means 9. So smaller value written is right side. So we need to add these two value. 39. Next one, x, triple x means x is for 10, but here x is written 3 times. So we need to add 10 3 times, then we will get 30. V is for 5, so 30 plus 5 is 35. Next, 13 number question. XIII, that means 13. 10 plus 3, 13. XLVI, XLVI. So XL, what will be the value of this Roman numeral? X is written at the left of L, but X is smaller than L, so smaller value is written at left side. So we need to subtract 10 from 50, then we will get 40. So 6, the value of this Roman numeral is 6. So here 6 is written as at the right of 40. So here smaller value is written at right side. So we need to add 6 with 40. Then we will get 46. Then XCIV. XC. So X is for 10. C is for 100. So smaller value is written at left also. So we need to subtract 10 from 100. Then we will get 90 and IV for 4. So 90 plus 4 is 94. Okay. So just like this way you will complete the other question from question number 4. You will convert the other Roman numerals into Indian numerals. Okay. So in this assignment I have done some question. So just all of you watch this video, and after watching this video you will complete this total assignment. You will complete the all maths from this assignment. Okay.